Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix NMAX V2 not responding to remote, key fob, battery and pairing fix. Fix 1 is replace the key fob battery. Open the key fob using a small flat head screwdriver or coin, then remove the old battery. Insert a new battery to the small type. Then make sure the battery is installed with the correct polarity. Then close the key fob and test it near the scooter. Second one is move closer to the scooter. Stand within 1 meter of the scooter, then keep the key fob away from your phone or other electronic devices. Then press the remote button again. Check if the smart key indicator turns on. Third one is check the smart key switch. Make sure the key fob is turned on, then look for the indicator light on the key fob. If there is no light, replace the battery and try again. Then test the remote once more. Fourth one is restart the same key system. Turn the scooter completely off, then wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn the smart key system back on, then try using the remote again. Fifth one is check the scooter battery. Turn on the ignition manually if possible, then check whether the scooter battery has enough charge. Recharge or replace the battery if it is weak. Test the smart key system again. Thanks for watching.